Welcome back to the Innovation Station. We're excited to meet you in this exciting world of technology news and innovation. Today we're going to take you on a fascinating journey through the exciting fields of agriculture, construction, and industry. Get ready to explore incredible technical solutions and unique engineering developments with us. Enter the efficient world of demolition, where towering structures and buildings are skillfully dismantled. This intricate process employs controlled explosions, wrecking balls, and high-reach excavators, combining precision and power. Skilled professionals strategically weaken and disassemble structures, ensuring safety and minimal environmental impact. From urban renewal to removing obsolete buildings, this synergy of technology and expertise shapes the landscape for new possibilities. If you've experienced demolition firsthand or have thoughts to share, comment below and stay tuned for more innovative construction updates. Delve into the world of roadside cleaning, a crucial operation that keeps our roadways safe and beautiful. This essential process involves the meticulous removal of debris, litter, and overgrown vegetation from roadsides. By employing advanced machinery and skilled personnel, roadside cleaning enhances road safety and contributes to the overall aesthetics of our communities. From urban streets to rural highways, explore the methods and technologies that drive this vital service, ensuring cleaner and safer roads for everyone. Dive deeper into the world of trench digging with the G&Z Eagle 9700, a powerhouse engineered for precision and efficiency in excavating trenches. This intricate process involves the excavation of trenches of varying depths and widths, accommodating utilities, pipelines, and underground infrastructure. The G&Z Eagle 9700 is at the forefront of this operation, boasting cutting-edge technology and expert engineering. It ensures the precise and accurate excavation of these trenches, minimizing disruption to the surrounding environment. This machine plays a pivotal role in various projects, including the installation of electrical cables, water pipelines, and drainage systems. Its capabilities extend to handling diverse soil types and challenging terrains with ease, making it a versatile asset in the construction and utilities sectors. Immerse yourself in the world of grain unloading. This multifaceted process involves the gentle unloading of bulk grain cargo from ships for further transportation to storage, processing, or distribution. Often massive in size, grain vessels require specialized equipment and machinery to unload efficiently. The process begins with the vessel being placed at an unloading terminal, where a variety of equipment such as conveyor belts, grain elevators, and pneumatic systems come into play. One common method involves the use of conveyor belts that run along the ship's hold, gradually pulling the grain outward and moving it to storage or for transportation. This unloading process requires precise coordination and skilled operators to ensure that the grain is handled carefully and without damage. Let's take a look at the intricacies of loading coal onto trucks. Cat PC2000 and Komatsu PC2000 excavators are at the center of this operation, using their enormous power and advanced technology to efficiently remove and load coal from mines. These giants of the mining industry carefully collect the coal, ensuring it is ready for transportation. The critical transportation step relies on the Komatsu WA900 wheel loader, a master of moving heavy loads with finesse. It efficiently moves mined coal from excavators to heavy trucks. These rugged trucks are specifically designed to handle the weight and volume of coal, ensuring a smooth and efficient loading process. Explore the world of rock picking with the Triginer DSR-4. This essential process combines precision and efficiency in the removal of rocks from field and farmlands. The Triginer DSR-4 employs advanced technology and expert engineering to ensure the seamless extraction of rocks, allowing for smoother cultivation and planting. From agricultural landscapes to construction sites, this machine plays a pivotal role in optimizing land usability and productivity. Are you related to agriculture in any way, or have you seen the picking rock technology with your own eyes? Write in the comments below the video. It will be interesting to read. Experience the vital task of field plowing with the Kvernland PG7 Vario and Fend A28. This essential agricultural process involves meticulously breaking and turning the soil to create a fertile seabed. The Kvernland PG7 Vario and Fend A28 lead the way by expertly blending precision and power. Their cutting-edge technology and engineering ensure not only efficient plowing, but also the preservation of soil structure and health. Whether on small family farms or expansive agricultural estates, these machines play a pivotal role in enhancing soil fertility, fostering optimal crop growth, and ultimately contributing to bountiful harvests. Explore the precise operation of unloading wagons, a pivotal process in logistics and transportation. This operation demands meticulous planning, specialized equipment, and expert execution to efficiently and safely remove cargo from railway wagons. Whether it's bulk goods, containers, or other commodities, a variety of techniques and machinery come into play. From the use of cranes and conveyor systems to innovative technologies like pneumatic unloading, this process ensures the swift transfer of goods from rail to storage or onward transportation. It's a critical link in the supply chain, facilitating the movement of goods across vast distances and supporting industries such as manufacturing, agriculture, and construction. Delve into the world of collecting straw bales with the JCB 4200 and Artisan AutoStack. This essential agricultural process combines precision and efficiency to gather straw bales from fields after harvesting. The JCB 4200, equipped with advanced technology and expert engineering, ensures seamless bale collection, optimizing productivity for farmers. It handles various bale sizes and types, making it versatile for different agricultural needs. The Artisan AutoStack plays a pivotal role in automating the stacking and handling of straw bales. Its innovative design minimizes labor and time while maximizing the organization and storage of bales. Let's take a look at the transportation of oversized heavy equipment, a highly complex and specialized process that involves the movement of massive machines and components that exceed standard dimensions and weight. This operation requires careful planning, the use of specialized equipment, such as modular transporters, and the application of advanced load securing techniques to ensure the stability and safety of the cargo during transit. In addition to technical aspects, careful logistical planning is essential, including obtaining permits, road modifications, and pilot vehicles to navigate complex routes. Qualified drivers are essential to navigate tight turns, steep climbs, and obstacles. Various stakeholders are involved in this collaborative effort, ensuring that vital equipment reaches its destination safely, which is the backbone of industries such as energy production and large-scale construction projects. Thank you for joining our exciting journey into the world of agricultural machinery, ingenious tools, and advanced technology. To keep up with the latest updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments. See you soon!